If your Claude limit end with one or two messages, if your Claude don't understand you, if you ask Claude to go into path A and it take the path B, then this video is for you, as I am going to share one very important concept with you. This is a water bottle. So it is not like it is randomly manufactured. There is a design stage and then there is a manufacturing stage. Even in between there is a prototype. So in that design stage, someone sitting on computer design this cap, design this bottle. They test it for how much time, for how many hours the water will stay cool. If we are adding water at 20 degree, how much time it will take to go from 20 to 30 degree or to atmospheric temperature. All of these things are done in the design stage. And once everything is designed, then they produce 50 or 100 units and test it. After testing, then it goes into production where bulk production start. Now in the design stage, if someone identified a problem, maybe it is not tightening well, maybe it is a loose fit or any problem, it is easier to resolve because he just need to go to computer, add some queries, make some adjustment, and problem is resolved. But once the design is final, we have produced 1,000 units, 5,000 units. Then if we have to do a change, then it will cost a lot. And imagine the same thing for the case of aeroplane, for the case of big industry. The same concept applies in the Claude, in the codex. There is a plan mode and there is a edit mode. So what happens is when we ask Claude, hey, build a website for me, it go and build a complete website. So it produced a complete website and consumed all of your tokens. Now it produced, it manufactured that. Now we give one prompt, it go there, it change that. In that produced file, it take more money, it take more time, it take more energy. Write this essay for me, prepare these 5-10 documents for me, prepare this pitch deck for me. By default it don't ask question, it assume everything and it prepare everything, but your tokens are consumed. If you do one iteration, two iteration, produce the same full thing again. You ask change this color in the website, it will go, it will change the color on all buttons everywhere, and it will take like 50-70% of the tokens again. So this is why your session limit end in 2-3 messages, or you cannot get full productivity from Claude, from Codex. Now how to solve it? Let's go to screen. So here on screen, I am in Claude Code. If I press Shift and Tab on the keyboard, it is going to plan mode. See here, I press Shift Tab, it went into auto. I pressed again, it went into manual. By default, it is here, edit automatically. We go again in plan mode. So whatever we have to do, we have to prepare our complete design, complete plan in the planning mode. We will say, hey, I want to build a website. Ask me maximum question that come in your mind. That will give you a list of questions. Then you will speak with it. Maybe you can use the whisper flow because you can give maximum context. I will give link of it in the description. So you speak, you tell more context, you give more context, then it optimize it. It prepare the full 1-page, 2-page document. Okay, this is a plan that I'm gonna follow. Then say, okay, your plan is good, but now you need to modify the design, you need to modify the deployment, you need to modify the animations. I want to add the blog section as well. I want to add this feature, I want to remove this feature, and this feature should exist together, and I want to add a reference. Whatever we have to do, we will do in this design, in this plan mode. And even in the software houses, but we do like all the processes like project requirement document, the PRD proposal, and even if we are going to develop something, we generate the complete ticket, complete feasibility here by staying in the plan mode. Once everything is done, now start developing this feature and even start noting your progress. It will build one feature and save the progress. Now in the next session, it will start building it and it will keep moving forward, and your results will be much better that way. So do use that plan mode.